välkommen, welcome to my channel. I am Katie if you're new. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. What do you do? So today we've got this gorgeous, unclockable, unbeatable install. I'm just joking. But it is unclockable. So I've got this unit from LUVME HAIR, and y'all know they always be delivering, they always be giving the girls what they want and what they need. So y'all know this install is about to be fire. So yeah, and if you like to see how I laid and slayed this unit, keep on watching.
So we're back again with another install video, and this time around we're working with LUVME HAIR, and these are the items that comes in the box. And this time around I got sent a couple of new things. As you can see, it's always nice getting extra stuff with your wigs. And yeah, so this time we are working with a 5x5 closure from them, and as you can see, this is HD lace honey. It's got 3 combs at the top and 1 at the bottom, and elastic band and your regular elastic straps as well. So we're gonna go ahead and add some foundation onto the lace. As you can see, this blended in so nicely, and y'all know this install is about to be fire. So I'm going ahead and using my Care wax stick just to basically prep it for hot combing. And as you can see, I'm going in with my pink hot comb and just pressing the hair down just to give me that flat look. So now I'm just parting out just to show you guys how spacious this closure is. Even though it's a 5x5, it is quite spacious, and you can do quite a lot with the parting space. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue flat pressing the hair basically, and yeah. So to start off the install, I always go in and cut off the little tabs at the end of my closures, as I find this to give me a more seamless install, and it just basically looks better. So I go ahead and section the lace, and then using my cuticle scissors to just cut off the lace in a jagged motion, just to give it a more realistic look. And this is how it's looking without it being glued or anything. It looks just so good. So now I'm just going in with my ORS Fix It spray. This is literally what I always use. I've heard a lot about the Ebon spray. I'm not sure where I can purchase that. Hopefully, if I do get my hands on it, I will definitely use it for my next tutorial. But yeah, so I'm just using my elastic band, guys. I always use this to melt my lace, and I'm going in with my blow dryer to just help the process, and just so it melts better and dries quicker. But this is how it's looking. I am so obsessed. I am now going in to do baby hairs. This time around I decided to do something really simple and natural looking. So I'll just let you guys watch this and I will be back. I'm going to go ahead and detangle and define these curls. First I'm going to use my spritz bottle, which is filled with just water, and then I will be using my denim brush to just detangle and brush out the curls, just to give it a more tighter and defined look. I do that process for all over the head, and yeah, so I'll be back. Once everything is detangled, I'll be going ahead and using the Cantu coconut curling cream. I absolutely love this stuff. It smells amazing. And I'm just going to go ahead and saturate in that all over the hair. This helps locking in the curls and also reduces frizz, and I just love the smell of it as well.
And this is how it's looking. So let's talk you through the specs. So this unit was kindly sent to me by LUVME Hair. As you all know, I have worked with them before, so this is not my first time, and I know they always be bringing fire wigs, like, and this time around they did not slack. So this unit is 22 inches and it's in the texture deep wave, and as you can see, the curl pattern is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love. And this is, as I mentioned, this is a 5x5 closure. So they are slowly becoming my favorite to install because one, they are hassle-free and they don't take too long to bleach or pluck. They don't take too much of your products, and it's just easy. And also this is 180% density, so as you can see, it is full and it's giving body. I absolutely love. So those are the specs. So let's get into the pros and cons. Before we even dive into it, I do not have any cons, and that's just how it is. Unfortunately, I do not have any cons. First things first, the unit was absolutely a dream to work with. Bleaching it, plucking it, absolutely amazing. As usual, it always comes pre-plucked. However, I did go in and plucked it to my liking, and yeah. And another thing, the lace, guys, the lace, where is it? I mean, what lace? The lace on this unit is impeccable. I am so shocked. I am so shocked at how well this laid. And I didn't even use adhesive. If I used adhesive, y'all know the damage I'd be doing, eh? Y'all know. But the glueless method still turned out pretty damn good, so I am super proud of myself in this install. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And another thing, I haven't experienced any shedding. As you all saw me detangling the unit, I probably only got like, hold on, like a few strands, or maybe like a little mini. That's pretty much what I got. So this is literally nothing compared to what other curly units we did with. So I haven't experienced any tangling either, so absolutely love that. The curl pattern is absolutely amazing. I love how the curls are just sitting and everything just looks so nice. I think curly hair is definitely one of my favorite textures. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like, overall, I love this unit. Definitely do recommend, because the lace on this, honey, unclockable, and the unit itself, the construction, everything is just absolutely amazing. I love it. And yeah, so Love Me Hair definitely did a thing with this unit. So yeah, I will make sure to leave all the specs and details down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And thanks to Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for clicking on and hanging out with me today. And if you did find this video helpful, please do not forget to hit that like button, and do not forget to, you know what, subscribe and join the fam, and also that little notification bell, just so you get notified whenever I make an upload. So yeah, thank you guys once again, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.